Well, a very good afternoon and welcome to the latest vlog for my channel. Today at Brean, as you've just seen, take 2 for 2021. As you can probably recall, when I came here in May I was very negative, down in the dumps, very sulky, not many rides operating. Today however it's the total opposite, very positive and bouncing around. Especially after going on a few goes on this one today, the Wipeout, the Afterburner. I'd say it's better than the one at Fort Park, Vortex. Very good cycle on there. It's fast becoming unre-rideable though. Had to get off and have a good slurp of me sugary drink, but yeah, these are so much better than the little sister KMGs, the Freakouts. Just a lot better ride experience. Yeah, KMG class. Right, I'll take you for a walk around the park, see what's running. The rides are operational, except for the Wild Mouse, everything is running, so I can get you as much as I can. Rides are on rotation, so dependent on if I can get any footage of them, but that is certainly a very good afterburner. Get yourself on it. Right, go for a walk. Yeah, you've got the Disco Zamperla ride. Don't know what it's called, but it's exactly the same as all the rest of them. Just get off feeling nausea. And yeah, unfortunately this one's not working today, the Magic Mouse, the Revy spinning cars. Don't seem to have much luck with this one, do I? Only ever think I've been on it once ever. Yeah, it's all parked up there, not really doing much. They've got little rides, I'll try and include them as well, Looney Tunes. As I say, the rides are on rotation today, so got the little carousel there. Right, walk round to a few other little junior rides here, Racerama, a few other bits. Right, I'll walk round to Crazy Loop and get you a bit of that. Yeah, you've got Crazy Loop, the Pinfari rollercoaster, 1981 built. I don't actually mind this, I much prefer them to the ZL42s. Phone's playing up on me a little bit here. Yeah, the ZL42s that you find on Brighton Pier, the one at Southport, they're just plain rough. This is actually enjoyable. It is a little bit jolty through sections of the ride. The restraints on there aren't too bad either, so it's a rateable Pinfari as they go, I suppose. So anyway, I'll do the best getting this one for you. So really good that the rides are operating today. Really, we're bouncing around a bit this morning to actually come here after the disappointment in May. Happy days, good coaster, Crazy Loop. Yet again, not much action on this one today. Well, actually none. It's the speed ride, booster, whatever you want to call it, KMG. And call this one Ultimate or Extreme, yeah, Extreme. It never ever seems to be working when I'm here, which is a bit of a shame, but yeah. And then just over there, the one that I was really looking forward to get back on again today, Astro Storm. Still my favourite indoor roller coaster. I don't know why. I've done a couple of Vekoma indoor roller coasters, and this still rates as the number one for me. Through its age, 1984 this were built, I think. You can see the three-man bobs there. This is on rotation at the minute, not much happening, but I've had a couple of goes on it. But yeah, for a coaster that's 37 years old, it rides smooth, really, really good. Theming's not bad in there either. And I think generally, as the roller coasters go, I think they're very, very underrated, to be honest with you. They do some extremely good rides. If they're catered for like the smaller end of the market, but you've got Green Scream at Adventure Island, which is very, very good as well, as is this. Right, continue to walk. But yeah, Astro Storm, definitely get on that if you're ever down here. Yeah, Disco Fever. Currently not running. Again, every ride is in operation today, but they are on rotation, so can't really do it. Can't really do it anyway, even if it was running, because you have to have a minimum of 2 riders on that one. I think it's a PWS. Yeah, you can't beat a good PWS twister after all. I don't mind this twister. Probably not the most intense twister I've ever done, but I like the top there, the little bit of theming on the ride as well. And then just behind that you've got Terror Castle. As I said, rate that probably second only to the Ghost Train up at Blackpool. Everything was working again in there today. You got your little surprise squirt at the end. Yeah, some good visuals in there, but terrific twister. X Factor in my first KMG Miami today, that one. Never been on this before while I've been down here. Yeah, I like it. Different restraints on there, much more comfortable than the normal Nottingham UK ones. And you get a good dose of airtime as well, and a bit of out your seat, and a little bit at the end, sorry, in the middle where it tilts you and holds you for a little bit. Yeah, I like it. X Factory, good, another good KMG flat. Decent enough matter on this one, Ultimate, manufactured by Sabima. Actually comfortable on there. Noticed a couple of Matterhorns that I've done recently have been not very comfortable, but actually this one isn't too bad, it's bearable. Quite quick as well. And I must say as well, the throughput of the rides today has been very, very good. Appreciate that these things have got to be on operation, the parks reasonably quiet, so you've got to have that rotation for it to be productive. But otherwise everything's been very, very good. Good throughputs. Probably the maximum I've been waiting for a ride is 7 or 8 minutes. I'm not going to say it, but do get yourself down to some of these places and have a look what's on offer. And I'll bring it in the little, I'm not sure if it's SBF Visa, little drop tower, similar sort of thing at Adventure Island and Legoland. Got the Miami there as well. Right, maybe not brilliant as I'm behind the fence here, but these are the go-karts. Now these, the big wheel that I've just shown you there, which isn't turning at the minute, and this little Adventure Golf area, they're all extra on top of the wristband. You know what I think of that. I'm not going to moan, but yeah, just be prepared to pay extra for that. You've also got the little pony trek down here as well. Some good theming. They've nabbed them off Steeplechase at Blackpool. Right, I'm going to look for somewhere to close things off. You've also got various arcades here as well as you walk in. And I'll give you a bit of park information. The obligatory park information bit. But yeah, decent big wheel, I suppose. If you like that sort of thing, you probably won't mind paying £4. I think it's £4 to get on it, so yeah. Thought I'd get you a little clip of the DBV Caterpillar coaster. That's your 4th coaster credit on the park. I did it a few years ago while I was down here, so I've got the cred, don't really need to do that. But say if you've got the young guns, get yourself on it. Get that Caterpillar credit. So finishing things off with Disco Fever, the Jump and Smile ride. Not sure if it's PWS or who it is, but that is Disco Fever anyway. As I said, you need 2 people to ride this one, so I'm out of contention as I'm on my own today. Crazy look behind it. So yeah, I'll close it off as I'm just walking around, showing you a little bit of what's going on. You've got the wristband information. I put that on just before the Caterpillar. I'll try and get a calendar or something just before we leave. Put that onto the video as well. So anyway, if you're coming by public transport, the number 20 bus runs between Burnham and Weston-super-Mare. Half-hourly intervals. Takes about 35 minutes, well it does from Weston anyway, to get here through the windy roads. I could do with an handle for this film really while I'm walking around, but I will sort things. Anyway, quick couple of mentions to the viewer who commented on my Chessington video. Really glad that you enjoyed that. Unfortunately there wasn't anything at 4 Ponds Tuesday. As I mentioned, I did wipe everything off unintentionally, so the good news is you won't have to wait until that long, because I'll be back at 4 Ponds Tuesday covering some of the flat rides down there. There'll be a few coasters involved obviously as well. Got a little juvenile ride here as well. And also, a mention goes out to the Crazy Luke ride up today. He seemed a good scream, knew his coasters, so probably the sort of bloke that I'd want to have a beer with it in the Wetherspoons afterwards. Right, I'm going to say ta-ra for now. The next one, possibly something tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm doing as I head back to Sheffield, but definitely on 4 Ponds Tuesday. So stay tuned for that. Also, a pointer, just look out for the Facebook page, which is Come Travelling with Rob Space Miller. Big pictures on from today and the last few days, as well as forthcoming visits. So anyway guys, take it easy. I'll see you soon and continue to view.